To all taxpayers, good morning po. So, FYI lang for application ng authority to print. So, ito bagong update. Pag branch 1 yung a-apply ninyo or branch ninyo a-applyan for authority to print, click nyo lang tong secondary registration, tapos authority to print receipts and invoices. Yan, to fill up ATP form. Yan. Once na nandito na kayo, naka-encounter kasi ako ngayon na pag yung branch 1 i-apply. So, lagi kasi namin na-apply is main. So, kung branch 1, for example, ito, yung sa last digit, papalitan natin kung anong branch ninyo. Kung 1 is, lalagay nyo lang 1. Tapos, i-validate. Yan, kung mapapansin ninyo, incomplete record. So, basahin natin yung nakalagay. We are unable to register your authority to print form due to incomplete business address information in our records. To proceed, you can either update your record through the update information functionality of ORUS by clicking this link, or you may proceed to the Revenue District Office where you are registered to update your information and manually register your authority to print form. So, ibig sabihin nito, ma'am and sir, incomplete po yung address dun sa BIR. Before kayo makapag-apply ng authority to print online, kailangan po munang i-update sa system or yung COR ninyo sa BIR. So, after nyo ma-update yun, saka pa lang po kayo makakapag-apply ng authority to print online.